This is the beautiful Colorado River right down here to the right-hand side of us, folks. You can see a lot of open islands. See all that? A lot of islands. That's how low the water is, you know? That's just how low the water is. I'm not allowed to stop. We're not supposed to stop like he did. This is the beautiful canyon where, of course, where the dam is located here, right there in front of us. Don't be afraid. That's the SOS bathroom. Anybody okay in that toilet right there? Hi. There's that dam wall. That is 2 miles long, 727 feet down from the top to the bottom. There is enough concrete in the wall of that dam to build a 2-lane highway from LA all the way to Boston. It will take 100 years for that to come to a complete cure. Now, if I believe right, we are celebrating 83 years of Hoover Dam being open. Right here to your left is in the honor of all the high scalers. Continue to look to your left. Do you see where in these mountains, guys? You can still see all the spikes that the high scalers left when they came out here to blast the mountain so they could build a road out here, so they could get out here to do the work. This is the visitor center. Right here also again to your right, or to your left, sorry, to your left. This is in the honor of all men that lost their lives. Right there. Here's one of the very first intake towers, 1931 to 1935. This is one of the intake towers. This is on the Nevada side. Check the time on it. Now, everybody look to your left. Like I said, people on the right, you'll get this view when we turn around. See where that white line is now? Again, that's where the water should be. All the way up to the top of that white line. Right now, well, we're in both states right now. Now we just kind of more or less entered on into Arizona. All right, everybody. Look over here to your left. This is the spillway. 1983 was the last year we used that spillway, folks. That's how we knew about our water shortage. When that water stopped going up and over that spill, dropping down into the spillway, there's a great big huge tunnel underneath us. That water would rush underneath the road that we're on right now. Then it would actually rush and drop down into the great big tunnel that led down into Lake Mead to the right of us. So again, just think about it. The water level used to be very high, so the water would rush up and over that spillway, drop down into it, rush underneath the tunnel that we're getting ready to go on underneath that's underneath us, and then, folks, it would drop right down here to the right of us. Stand up, everybody, on the left-hand side.
Damn. Fucking scary.
If you're on the right, please don't stand. Let everybody on the left stand, because that way they get the same pictures. Because you're already on the right-hand side, so you get it. All right. Pretty cool. Could you imagine, guys, if we had liquid soap, dish soap, and a Bisqueen? We could slide down to Lake Mead, or down to Colorado River from there. Alrighty, this is where we're gonna go, folks. All right, so what you guys gonna do? There's trash cans right here in front of us. All right, this is at this time you can dispose of all trash. You're gonna get out, take a couple photos real quick.
Meron pa.
Meron pero magagamit yung data mo doon.
Vamos. All of it. Just throw it all in. That one down there? Yeah, me.
Sayang kanina ng ganda.
Wala yung bridge. Yung makita man lang sana yung bridge, yung background mo yung bridge.
I know, ha? Pero kung tayo pa tayo ganun, dadaanan niya ka natin. Tsaka kita ba? Gusto mo? Ha?
Dito.
You guys want one together?
Let's go.
That part I haven't done. Don't move, all move. Okay. You're fine, no worries.
May mo kasi. Kumami natin dyan. Picture kita. Kung nag-record
Anong
ka pa,
weather today?
ha?
Anong weather?
Anong what?
Weather. Kasi mo hindi mainit eh.
75. No, 66.
Maulat.
Maaraw mamayang hapon.
Oh, sorry, sweetie.
No worries. Kamay na kayo na lang. Ang dala nun. Wait. Kami nga iyan. May ano ko.
Kaya ang daming dumadaan sa ganun.
Ano na lang kayo sa phone.
Ha? Ano pare? Yo. Hindi yan yung camera niya. Portrait ano yun eh. Siya ano yung portrait ko. Yung i-point mo pare, like zoom out. Mga maaraw pa.
Sila fans. Sakit ng tiyan ko.
May sila ako sa baba. Pwede ka mag-drive papunta lang dito ng sa Hoover Dam. Pero pag didiretso ka sa ano, sa Arizona, yun ang mahirap. Ha? Hindi lang sa bawat, pero like, bihira yung ano, gas station. Pag malalayo, kailangan magdaan sarili mong gas. Oo, pag madami. Pag andun ka na sa Arizona.
May isda kaya dyan?
Isda? Diyan? Ano?
Wala na daw, sabi nung ano, kasi ginagamit din nilang electric ano eh. Gumagawa din sila ng electricity dyan.
Dito?
That's what they said nung ano. Kaya every ano daw, summer, nagami daw nakukulog ng mga